Hello, you're welcome back to the channel. I'm very excited to have you here. In today's video, we'll be making this assorted meat pepper soup. This pepper soup is a combination of different parts of cow meat and goat meat. So this one I'm cutting is goat stripe, goat shaki, yeah, and these are some cow leg. So I'm just going to cut it into tiny pieces, yeah. So I'm cutting it in tiny pieces in form of a ball shape. Is what I did with the shaki. I want a situation whereby I'll be eating this food and I'll fetch the meat and use it to eat rice, you understand? So I just added some salt to the shaki and parboiled water. So I just pour it into it. I washed the shaki already before I started cutting it, but this black thing, I don't know how to remove it, so I just failed to put salt and add that hot water. So in a clean pan, I'll be adding my cow leg. Cow leg and this cow and goat stripe is very difficult to cook, so I'll put them first and I'll be seasoning it with some salt and some seasoning cube, just one seasoning cube. Then I'll cover it for it to cook for some time. So this is after some time. I just checked and I felt it's okay for me to add the remaining part of the cow meat. So these are some beef and cow heart that I just added to it now. I'm done adding the other part of the beef. Now I'll be adding in some water because the water in the pot will not be enough to cook the meat properly. And now I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of habanero pepper. You can add more if you like very spicy and hot food, but I don't really like spicy food, but I want the pepper soup to be very spicy. And these are some pepper soup spices that I just added. It's my homemade pepper soup spices. I will put the video down in the description box on how I make this homemade pepper soup spices, or I'll be leaving it in a card up here. And these are some beef seasoning that I just added, and this is oziza in Benin language, but I don't know the name in English, so I just added this. It's actually toasted. I added it to it, and now I'll give everything a good stir. After giving it a good stir for everything to mix properly, then I will just cover it for it to cook. This is after some time again. I'm sorry, I did not check time when I was cooking this food. I was just cooking it, yeah. Now I'll be adding some dried scent leaf. I just washed it and add it to it. So I'll not be giving you any specific time on how the meat is going to be cooked, on how long and all that. Just do what works for you. But me, I love and I enjoy my pepper soup when the meat is very soft, yeah, like when the meat is chewable. It's very comfortable for me. So if you like hard meats, you can just do what works for you. So I allow the pepper soup to boil, to cook for the longest time because I want it to be very soft. And now I think I know it's okay for me. Now I'll be completing all the seasoning by adding extra pepper soup spices and salt and seasoning cube and all that if it's needed. If you are new here, you are highly welcome. Consider subscribing to this channel. For my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to check up on your girl. I really appreciate you. Thanks for watching my video. I appreciate you a lot. So these are some sweet pepper. I'm just going to add this for extra taste and for garnishing. I would have had basil to eat, but I don't have it at home. But the scent leaf that I added, of course, it will give it extra flavor, and it will surely take the taste from 0 to 100. Yeah, but I wish I had basil at home. I would have added it to it for the color to still pop up and all that. So these are pepper soup. Is all done. Yeah, at this point the pepper soup is just all done. I'm still stirring it for you to see how it's popping. I can't wait to start devouring this pepper soup, yeah. See now, see our pepper soup is looking all appetizing. I intentionally zoom it so that you can see it well properly through the eyes of your phone. I wish you can come and join me and eat. So I later paired this pepper soup with white rice, as I said before. You know, I'll fetch the meat and you to fetch rice just like this, and it's so yummy. Thanks for watching my video. I'll see you all in my next video. Take care and bye.